So you can promote any YouTube videos using by Google Ads. That will be promoted by YouTube search and the promote by the which website approved by Google AdSense also. So the how you can promote by your particular video ads. I'll show the two options. One is called YouTube search and your YouTube skip ad. Second one, our video ad will be showing for your website, which are approved by the Google AdSense. So first of all, you can check any video will be showing for like this also. It's not a video ad. The video will be playing will be like this. So the type of ads how to create by using Google Ads. This video will be promoted for using multiple keywords. Now first of all, I'm selecting for one video is called. So any video will be I'm selecting for total while promoting purpose. Just it. I'm selecting this video. Keep it on hold by this video. Stop it. Just you can go to option call is Google AdWords. Google.com/AdWords. The year always you can remember Google.com/AdWords. So here will be login two types. AdWords.google.com, Google.com/AdWords. So any first time user we can log in purpose Google.com/AdWords. The AdWords will be work only for along with the Gmail. So in this call, first of all, go open for your Gmail of Google AdWords. The option call is campaign. The option call is campaign. So in this campaign, you can create the n number of campaign will be create. N number of campaign will be create. Any campaign will be running will be showing for green tick mark. So any ad will be showing for enable and pause. So what is how to create the new ads? There is the new campaign. So campaign will be showing for totally 5 steps. In this, they're showing for here. This is the submodules: sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, and brand awareness and reach, and app promotion. But basically, they will be totally 5 steps: search, display, shopping, video, and apps. So we can promote anything. Will be video marketing. Will be called brand awareness and reach. Why? Because display and video. This will be display and video. Two will be supported by the your display and video marketing. This will be search, display, shopping, video. Supported by the 4 options. This supported by search, display, shopping, video. Search, display, shopping, video. App only for app promotion. You can promote only for videos. Select it. Custom video campaign and ad sequence. Custom video campaign. Customize your own setting with the people in stream ads, bumper ads, or video discovery ads. Totally 4 type of ads: skippable and non-skippable. In stream ads. When play the video, they'll show the one strip will be ads that is in stream. Bumper ads, non-skippable, less than 5-second videos. And video discovery ads and the sponsor care ads are show in the like this. When people searching for, they're showing for your YouTube search option. This will be video discovery ads. Now, ad sequence. Tell your story by showing ads, a particular sequence or individual viewers with the skippable in-stream ad, non-skippable in-stream ads, bumper ad mix. The tell story showing a particular sequence or to individual viewers. I can reach by individual viewers. This will reach by any users. This is a custom setting. Select the custom video campaign. Click for continue. Ad sequence we not used by Google AdWords. Ad sequence we can use it by direct to YouTube channel to promote option. No need to select by ad sequence. Select your campaign name. You select your budget, daily or campaign total. Campaign total, you will fix by 1000 rupees. When you finish your 1000 rupees, your ad will be closed. Adding for daily 500, your campaign budget will be 2000. They are run by 4 days. Your advance payment will be 2000. Your ad run daily 500. The ad will run by total 4 days, daily 500. Campaign total, you are adding for campaign total will be 1000 rupees. When finishing 1000 rupees, your ad will be stop. Next, when start date, when you will be end date, your wish. Select date. Starting today. End date. End date you can't select. Why? Because when finishing 1000 rupees, you will be finished. So this always select by as soon as possible. When mention any particular date, and suppose your ID for campaign total will be 1000, but your ID run by only for 2 days for weekends. That weekend you are not possible. Then select by start date and end date. Selecting for start date and end date. So business started is maximum CPV. This means cost per view. Video campaign total dependent by the cost per view and cost per mile. Means cost per 1000 impressions. Cost per 1000 impressions. Cost per mile nothing but cost per 1000 impressions. The video people watching for 1000 times, it will be charged. That is called impression cost. The ad will see for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. It will watch the people by 1000 times. It will got by video will be charged. So my looking for maximum CPV means when people watching my view, it will be as a with the amount. Next, where you can display our video ads. YouTube search results, YouTube videos, when play the video in the skip and non-skippable. YouTube partner on the display network. Which webs approved by Google AdSense will pay video will be like this. It's not a YouTube video, I'll show the like this. We automatically play by continuous. When any website will be showing video, they're not showing for YouTube channel link. It's only for YouTube embed process. And you support by what language? All language? No, I'm support only for English. So what are the options you have to finish here? Everything will be. So you're asking for end date. What are the options they're asking by here? The tick mark is very important. So you're asking for end date. I mentioned by end date. So my campaign total will be 1000. My campaign will finish by 8th May 2019. And language selected. I'm selecting only for Hyderabad. My video only for Hyderabad people. Okay. Next one. Inventory type. Always standard inventory. So now I'm going to go expanded and limited. I'm always going for standard inventory. Means the people repeatedly watch the videos and check the view also. Exclusive content. No need for any content is required. So targeted by conflict and sensitive social issues. Exclusive suggestion and content. So I'm not looking any kind of things. I'm not giving any kind of suggestions. So next, ad group. Any ads will be campaign will be created. First will be campaign, second ad group. This will be ad will be created. This is a campaign structure. First is campaign. This will be ad group. Second will be campaign will be created. With using for multiple keywords. Using for multiple keywords. I'll give you the rough sketch also. So this is your campaign structure. First in ad account, campaign name, ad group, list of the keywords. So right now I can go to this. Is what is the next step will be add group. Add group theme but DA demo. So what is my demo? Graphics. Male, female, and unknown. So this is your age. Target it. Audience. I'm targeted by any audience. So you can target a particular category audience. Search by here. But my target is any audience. Why? Because digital marketing learning for any audience, particular promotions. Keyword. Now you can write your keyword yourself. Mala discuss. After do your YouTube channel videos with multiple keywords. Write the keywords. Digital marketing training. People searching this keyword, my ad will be showing for your where on YouTube and website which apps are approved by the Google AdSense. So minimum ad by 10 keywords. So right now I'm sample purpose I'm adding for 5 to 6 keywords. So done. Next one. Select your keyword. Select your topic. Topic will answer to what is called topic will be education. Why this will be job and education purpose. Next placements. YouTube channel, YouTube videos, website, app and app category. This is all we can show your particular ads. Next, what is the bidding price? Bid nothing but each view how much you charge. I charge only for 20 paise. When people watching for CPV, cost per view, how much you charge? 20 paise each video. See this. It will be done. Next, add your YouTube video. Copy, paste it. This AdWords campaign, without your YouTube channel, also you can promote your videos. So the people give one video. They can't give access by YouTube login and password. You can promote using for AdWords campaign. Without login ID password on YouTube channel, you can promote your videos on this option. Any video will be promoted. It will be showing for two patterns. In-stream, skippable, video discovery ad. Like this. They will showing for video below and YouTube search and YouTube right side also. Select it. So I'm always select by in-stream ads. So finally, in-stream ad main reason is called to destination your website traffic or YouTube channel traffic. So right now I go to for my destination will be my website traffic. Select it. In a website you can select by home page and particular link also. Anything you wish. Particular home page or particular your website link also. So video tutorial, copy, select it, HTTP, yes, is a mandatory field. HTTPS is the mandatory field. On call to action, add your mobile number and headline, your wish. Add your mobile number also, not required. Auto generated using video from your YouTube channel is called recommended. Or else upload image by your manually. So this is called image selection. So always when you create any videos, as is your thumbnail will be your original video ad thumbnail, video ad image. Your thumbnail is very important by guru by your particular YouTube channel. Save and continue. So in this, anything will be missing. Check by here. So available ad group when a very low bid. Nothing but the bidding price will be low. So ad change will be 35 cents. Low bid 1 rupee. So 30 paisa is not accepting. So I can go with the 50 paisa, 60 paisa, 80 paisa. 80 paisa accepted. Views will be 1.1k to 2.9k views. Impression 3.7k to 11k means 3,700 to 11,000 impression. In between, maybe 3,740 rupees, 40 impressions, maybe 10,000 impression. The based on your budget. CPB average cost 27 paisa to 80 paisa. Budget spending 95% to 100%. Maybe 100, maybe 95. Ad will be done. Ad name, DM, demo ads. Click for continue. So reload this page. Sometimes you'll get these options will be hitting for internet issues. Resolve it, medicine. So ad will be created will be like your option. There is a showing for video symbol. This is the final step by your video marketing for your using by Google Ads. Any people asking question your how to promote your YouTube channel with the multiple keyword, is it possible or not? Yes. The option is for Google AdWords.